Hey. This is Meditation with Rene. I am Rene. I would like to thank you for joining me on the 28th day of my 30-day meditation challenge. Today's session is meditation for gratitude. As always, please find your preferred seating position, whether that be on the floor, as I am, or in a chair with back support. Same thing with your hands. If you prefer to put them on your knees or rest them in your lap, as I am. If you're ready, go ahead now and close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Once again, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Don't try to control the speed of your breath. Just breathe naturally. Maybe notice your arms peacefully, heavy and relaxed. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Begin to feel a sense of gratitude about things in your life. Feel grateful for something you have. Maybe bring into your mind those objects you are grateful for, such as plants or maybe your favorite chair, any objects that you may possess. Imagine those things. Breathing in through your nose. And as you exhale, whisper to yourself, thank you. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Next, let's try to maybe express gratitude for people you have in your life. Allow a person or people or even animals, images to collect in your mind. See them clearly. Maybe you can hear how they sound or look or have a sense of how they make you feel. Breathing in through your nose. And as we exhale to yourself, say thank you. Try to become grateful for yourself, for your health, for your wisdom, the kindness, maybe the love that you show to yourself. Try to become grateful for your ability to love others. Breathing in through your nose, and as you exhale, say to yourself, thank you. Express gratitude for the smallest things. Anything small. Anything in your life, be grateful for. Feeling the importance of even the little things. As you exhale, whisper to yourself, thank you. Be grateful for your breath, bringing you life. Be grateful for the feeling that you feel when you look into the sky. Be grateful for the feeling that you feel when your pet greets you or sits on your lap, or even when you pet them. Take some time to focus on the world around you and feel even more gratitude. Think about the things you are grateful for. Be thankful for who you truly are. We can truly enjoy the things we have. We don't need anything else. We already have everything we need. Be thankful that you are present now. When is the last time you felt awe over a beautiful moment? Try to remember where you were, what sounds you might have heard, what you might have saw, smell, any feelings. Remember the time you were in the presence of beauty and love. Be in that moment. Bring your awareness to your heart and the love that you carry with you. Carry them with you at all times within your heart. Try to carry them with you at all times. Saying these words. Repeat after me. Say them to yourself or out loud. I am grateful for this moment. I embrace each day with gratitude. Every day I am more mindful. Each day I am grateful for the beauty of life. I am thankful for each day. I am thankful for my ability to achieve anything I put my mind to. I am grateful for my friends and family. Give thanks to everything that you can possibly think of. Try to find time in your day to fully express feelings of gratitude. Great job today, really. Go ahead now and open your eyes if you have them closed. Until next time, please be kind to yourself, others, and all living things. See you tomorrow.